We are looking at how to pronounce this word, this phrase, as well as how to say more interesting, related and often mispronounced words as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning for reference. The first word here is of French origin. In French it is said as attaché in English, attaché in British English, with an emphasis on the first syllable. Attaché case. In American English, however, it is usually said as attaché case, with an emphasis on the third syllable of attaché. Attaché case or attaché case. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.